I'll be showing you step by step how to set up price drop alerts for your customers on your Shopify store. So if a customer is not ready to buy, they can subscribe to price change notifications and they're going to get an automated email when the price changes for this particular product. So we'll be using a Shopify app to set this up. So let's dive right into it. So the app we'll be using is called KB Back in Stock Restock Alerts, and it has price drop notification through emails as well as SMS alerts if you're looking for that as well. This product does have a completely free plan, which we'll be utilizing in this video. We get unlimited subscribers and 30 emails per month. That's going to include those price drop notifications. So you can find this in the Shopify App Store by searching KB Back in Stock. I'll also leave a link for this in the description below. So once you're there, head to the app page, click install, and let's set up these price drop notifications. So clicking install will bring me to the installation screen. If you're comfortable with permissions, let's click install here. This brings us to the first welcome screen here, just letting us know what the app does. I'll click next. In terms of the overall steps, we'll need to enable the app embed, choose our preferred billing plan, which will be free, and then we can enable the back in stock widget, which we will not be doing here. Let's click next. I'm going to select no thanks, I will switch later. And so first, let's go enable this on our Shopify store. So I'll click Enable in Theme Editor. This is going to open up my Shopify theme editor. And I can also get to this section manually by opening it up, heading to App Embeds on the left-hand side, searching for this and then toggling it off. But by clicking that button, it's going to toggle it on automatically. And to finalize these changes, I just need to hit save in the top right here. So I'll head back to the previous tab here. So first, let's head to the automation section on the left-hand side. I'm going to turn off this back in stock notification. And I want to turn on the price drop notification email. So if I click turn on here, it now looks to be enabled once I reload the page. And let's go and customize this automation. Here we get a few things to customize in this email template. We can customize our subject line. These things in curly brackets are variables. So it's going to include information pulled from our Shopify store directly, such as the product name, the variant price. And we can go and customize this to our liking. Maybe I'll add some emojis here, such as a clock. I could say has dropped in price for a limited time. I could also go and customize any of this text. I'll just leave this all as a default for now and I'll hit save. As so much of this is dependent on how you want to theme this, especially in comparison to your brand's style. So next we'll need to set up the widget. So if I head to widget on the left-hand side, and I scroll to the top here, I want to head to the price drop section. So first I want to enable it. So I'll click enable price drop button. We next get options such as enabling the button position. I'll just leave this as side button. You can also set it to have below the add to cart button. We get customization on the colors, the messages, before and after they subscribe. There's also quite a bit of settings around the text, so we can completely customize those. I'll just leave these as the default here, because I think they all look okay and they get the meaning across they're supposed to. So let's head to a preview of my online store, as I've already enabled this here. To note, you do need to click save. Head to the left-hand side under online store. And I'll click the eye icon there. This is going to open a preview of my store. So if I scroll down, let's click on an example product. And there it is on the right-hand side. I can see notify me when the price drops. So I'll click on this. This is going to open up my pop-up and I can go and enter in my email address. Now from there, if I change the price of this at any point, it's going to automatically send that notification to the customer. So if I want to customize this, maybe I want a different background. To note, these are all hex codes. So if you just Google hex color selector, Google will automatically populate this here. And so we can drag this around to find the exact color we're looking for. Maybe I want this to be a bright red. So I can select this on the palette here and then just copy this hex code right here. So let's head back to the app and I'll go and change the background color. So I'll hit save here, reload my page, and I can see the pop-up has updated to notify me here. And so just like that, I've added a price alert drop to my Shopify store. We used the completely free plan here, and overall it was super simple to set up and very easy to add to our Shopify store. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where Profit Calc comes in. It's the sponsor of today's video, and it's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can see how much money your store has actually made. It's going to include a ton of different metrics and analytics and details so you can start making smarter business decisions. It's also going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. There's many cost of goods sold syncing options, and just going to gather everything in one place. It's going to save you from having to use spreadsheets. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. All you have to do is head to the Shopify App Store and search Profit Calc and look over this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to bring you to that app page directly. So a super cool app, so make sure you check that out there. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.